Live video avatars are the most human way to interact with real-time AI models today. Available now, you can add Tavus avatars to your LiveKit agents with 2 lines of code, and it's dead simple to get your avatar into a room and start talking to them. Let's do a demo. So in this example, I'm going to be talking to an educational avatar who's going to teach me about the fall of the Western Roman Empire. And this is one of those industries, education, where having a human touch really matters. In this case, we're using RPC calls from the backend agent to the front end so that we can have interactive elements like flashcards and quizzes. And then we want to be able to send information about the state of those components back to our avatar on the back end. Okay, so let's talk to our avatar a little bit so we can see how it works. Let's talk about some of the economic factors.
Great choice. Economic factors played a significant role in the fall of the Roman Empire. Let's break them down. Why do you think currency might be important for an empire? What problems might arise if a currency loses its value?
Inflation.
Exactly. Inflation is a key issue. When a currency loses its value, it can lead to widespread economic problems. Can you think of any reasons why Roman currency might have devalued during this period?
I think I know the answer, but let's create a quiz with just 1 or 2 questions for me to test my knowledge.
Take your time with the quiz and let me know how you do. Once you're done, we can go deeper into the topic of economic factors.
So now I know the answer to this one, but we're going to answer incorrectly so that we can get a flashcard that's automatically generated.
You got so out of 1 questions correct. Question: what was a primary reason for the devaluation of Roman currency during the empire's decline? Your answer: lack of trade. Incorrect. The correct answer is debasement of coinage with less precious metal.
Why was this an issue?
Debasement of coinage, reducing the amount of precious metal in the coins, was an issue because it reduced trust and perceived value in money. Why do you think people rely on the trust of their currency's value, especially in a large empire like Rome?
Can you create a few flashcards for me that kind of talk about the trust of currency's value?
I've created flashcards for you. You can check them out to reinforce your understanding of why trust in currency is vital and the consequences of debasement in the Roman Empire. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like to explore.
So as usual, all the code for this demo is available right away on GitHub, so you can start launching your own avatars today. It's super fun to kind of talk to them, and in this case with education, it adds a really human touch to something that otherwise we would just have text or just audio. So give it a try, and I can't wait to see what you build.